All right, so like I was saying, it involves planning, it involves, let's say, you need to calculate a whole lot of things. I need to know exactly the circuit um, that will be in this particular property or building. I need to know all those things. And also, there's a combination of both 230 volts and 110 volts. So, this also comes with its own challenges and some kind of planning and some kind of calculation. So, this work, you don't just get up to do it, otherwise, you mess up. So, like I said, why did I cut here and not this middle and not here or here? I have cut here for this dB, I've cut here, I've cut this side and this side because I have planned for that and I have to do exactly that. Okay, so I'm going ahead to fix this into the wall. Okay, so let's follow the process. Okay. So you'll get to know that our work involves a whole lot of things. Sometimes you are a welder, sometimes you are a mason, sometimes you are a plumber, sometimes you are a carpenter, and a whole lot. There are various things that you need to learn if you are an electrician. There are some basic things in other fields that you need to learn, something like masonry, because you will fix conduit boxes, PVC pipes, you fix whole lot of stuff that you will use mortar or you will do mortar work on. So you will need or you will have to, if you're not ready to learn some basic masonry work, you can be an electrician. Maybe you will be a corner electrician, but not a pro or a professional. So when we are fixing boxes, we don't go and call a mason to come and fix it for us. We do it ourselves. We mix our own mortar, though sometimes when masons are around, we can borrow their mortar. Today, there's no mason here. We have to mix our own mortar. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna do. Let me see. This is kind of a lengthy process, but let's follow up and let's see what happens at long last. Okay. Morgan, level. Okay, so I'll go ahead and fix this. Level. So I'm going ahead. Come take a view of this. Come closer. Okay, so I'm leveling this up. Okay. Not just here, I have to level it this side as well. Okay. And this side. Okay. Okay, so I'm done with this first one. Let me okay, so I need to go and fetch some more water.